Okay, so accidents. Really important to think about how you respond to accidents to make the most of them so that they can be a learning opportunity. So, when it comes to parents' responses, I tend to see two things. One is that parents will say, oh, it's okay, it doesn't matter, accidents are fine, it's no problem, and they just clear it all up for the child like it never happened. And the other extreme is that they say things like, oh, why did this happen? We just sat on the potty, we just talked about this, why did you do this? Oh, I'm feeling more frustrated. And obviously, there's variety in between that. But in my view, neither of those responses are particularly helpful. First of all, if we start with the frustration response, then we're expressing frustration, and they are learning a really difficult skill. So we need to give them some slack. But at the other extreme, if we say it doesn't matter, it's okay, we are essentially lying to them because it does matter and it's not okay. And we didn't really want this to happen and we don't really want to clean this up. So my advice is to take a much more neutral approach to how you respond. So for example, focus on what's happened. Okay, see we have a wee on the floor, or I see we have wet pants. Okay, we need to go to the bathroom and we need to go and get changed. So focus on the practicals. Always move them to the designated changing space so they can learn that that is where these things happen. Involve them in getting change and overcoming this, so that they're cleaning themselves up with your help. Obviously depends how much they can do, but certainly encourage them to be part of that process. And you will feel the need to say something, because you feel if you're silent then that might appear to be angry and you don't want to say the wrong things. So what you can say is just keep up a patter of practicalities, as in, which way is the bathroom? That's right, it's this way, thank you. And then when we get there, okay, what do we need to do first? That's right, we need to take off these clothes. Okay, we need to put this here, do this, that, and so on, until you've resolved the accident. And that will allow you to keep on engaging with your child, but in an emotionally neutral way. And I think that will really help make those accidents worth a learning experience.